How to check active connected devices on Steam. This tutorial shows you how to view every device that's logged into your account. First, open the Steam app on your device or go to the Steam website. From there, click your profile name at the top right. After that, click Account Details from the drop-down menu. At this point, scroll down and look for Security and Devices, or click Manage Steam Guard. Following this section shows you every computer or device currently authorized on your account, along with recent login activity. From here, review the list to check for anything unfamiliar. If you want a more detailed breakdown, including raw login data and specific machine names, there's a dedicated page for that too. At this stage, open your browser and go to the Steam Account Data page directly. Following this shows more technical details about every login associated with your account, useful if you're trying to track down exactly when and where an unfamiliar login happened. That's how you check active connected devices on Steam. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!